Still, there's more little fish in here. Got the bend. Oh, there's a whole bunch of fish coming this way. Where they all go? RARE is a land trust that was founded in 2001, specifically to conserve about 900 acres in the township of North Dumfries, but we do have about 100 acres in the city of Cambridge. This is the Bauman Creek Restoration site. This stream itself is one of the few undamaged cool water streams left in the region of Waterloo that still supports a population of trout. There was a culvert under an old farm lane that the stream passed through, which ceased to function properly. So we wanted to restore that connection, restore the habitat of the stream. We restored about 75 meters in fall 2016. And then in subsequent years, worked on planting trees. We helped to incise the channel, to find the channel a bit more. Now that the restoration is about to turn 4 years old, we've had success to fish. There's still lots of young trout here. So we're hoping that in addition to adding living habitat, we may have also added breeding habitat. Our fish will be less stressed and hopefully will continue to sustain the population here.